So that's why I was saying how education means, it is coming from the root word called educare from Latin, which means to bring out something which is already there inside. So simple analogy is explained, like for example, when I wanted to drive a car, first I went to a tutor, so driving class. So I was completely bewildered how someone can drive car, because you sit inside the car and 3 feet there is a bumper where you can't see the road, and how to drive. I was perplexed. But when I went to the driving class, they taught me everything. So then within 2 days, I was able to drive very nicely. I think all of you might have experienced this situation. So the point here is, the ability to drive was already there inside. But this education from the tutor helped me to bring that ability out. So that is the purpose of education. So education means there is something already there inside and we have to bring it out. So I give the example of a seed. So is there a tree in the seed? Yes or no? Answer is yes and no. Because we can't see the tree inside the seed, it is completely unimaginable. But the seed, when it is sown, when you sow the seed and put water, give protection, give food, nurture it very nicely, the same seed will become sapling, then it becomes plant, then it becomes a tree, and it gives shades, it gives fruit, flowers and everything. So how this happened? It is because of the nurture. And I call education means it is actually nurturing the person. So in the current situation, people think education means it is just information. But unfortunately, education is not just information. Education means it is transformation of the heart. If by education, if our heart is not transformed, then what is the use of that education? So that's why I say during our school days, there was a special subject called moral science, where teachers would teach us some important values of life through these subjects. But unfortunately, those subjects stopped after 5th standard. Now if you go to engineering college, there are so many branches in engineering: civil, mechanical, computer science, electricals, electronics, information science, and so on. So every college has different departments, and there is no department for spiritual education. There is no department to help us understand the values of life. And there is no department which helps us to understand what is the purpose of life. So don't you think this kind of knowledge, this understanding, this kind of education is required in this world? Definitely we need all these things. But unfortunately, these subjects are not taught. Nobody speaks about God. Nobody speaks about the purpose of life. Nobody speaks about the transformation of the heart. All of us, we are just satisfied with physics, chemistry, maths, accounts, zoology, botany, and all these things.